Hey, how's it going, everybody? And so, while I did not order the Pixel 9 or 9 Pro, I did get a chance to spend some time with it. And let me tell you guys, I am very impressed with the Google Pixel 9. And it, bar none, is a new chapter page turned in the whole evolution of the Google Pixels. As far as the hardware, aesthetically, it is solid. I love the way that it felt in my hands, getting some time to play around with it at Best Buy and just watching my kids mess around with it. Um, I am impressed. Even with the Pixel 9 base model, I thought was really nice. And yes, I do want one, but I'm not in a hurry to get one. Not at this time. Did get to play around with the Pixel Watch 3, the 45 millimeter version, so the bigger model, which is the XL model. And I have to say, it's a Pixel Watch. It's solid. It's smooth. Of course, I didn't get to play around with any features that I had, but nonetheless, I got to play around with the user interface of it. And you know what? Google, great job. Great job on the phones, great job on the watch. It was really good as a first impression to just really kind of get to know how the device is. I am amazed at what Google did this time around. And I thought Google did a great job heading in the right direction. And even getting to play around with the Pixel tablet, something that I still intend to get. Um, Man, the whole Pixel ecosystem is coming together quite nicely. And I would definitely say, to recommend to people, if you want to try something different than your Samsungs and Apple iPhones, Google Pixel. You really got to give it a shot just to really see how it is. And even look at my kids just fully immersed in them. They really love the way that these phones functions. Got to give a shout out to my kids for helping me do this. But anyways, yeah, my time at Best Buy was pretty quirky and funny. I had a lot of fun messing around with the Google Pixel phones and what my son did, which was pretty
And
funny.
when you catch your kid sitting at sitting at the employee's computer desk. So now you work for Best Buy?